hype room lights to purple.
Purple coming right up.
Gotta plug it in. Guys, it's been a minute since we've done mail time. I said in one of the last mail times that it would be like a month until I did a new one. And it's even crazier because I'm sitting here and I'm like, this might be the last mail time we might do until like another 2 months. I might have one in May, I don't know. Hope you guys enjoy the series. We got a lot of packages to get into, despite the empty background. Let's cue the epic montage of putting all the packages on here. This is a really large mail time. It's an accumulation of packages from the last 2 months. And now I gotta go ahead and put all this back. Mail time, episode number 20, I think. I finally was able to put some episode numbers on them. And I hope you guys enjoy this series. If you do, please make sure you give it a like. We have a lot of packages we're about to get into. 25 total packages exactly, down to the package. So we're gonna start with this first one on top. I have absolutely no idea what it is. It's probably been sitting here for 2 months or 2 days. I could not tell you. It looks like Supreme, maybe? Yep. How interesting of them to ship their, oh, there's no bags anymore. That's right, because they got rid of bags. Holy crap, I got the poncho. I was worried I wasn't gonna get the poncho. This season's free gift, we have a single box logo. So it's actually a box logo poncho. Now, does this have any resale value? I couldn't tell you at the moment, but editing Giancarlo definitely could. Now, another thing I decided to get was, oh shoot, I think I got 2 of these. The Leatherman, I've reviewed this already in a previous video. And the stickers we're gonna be adding to the collection, a bling box logo, and we have a little black cat sticker there. That's from one of the t-shirts they released. Glad to see I got the bling box logo because I have not yet. And this is week 1 stuff. This is old. This is old. Now that this is mail time, I want to go ahead and get a package out of the way that I find very interesting because it's something you've never seen before, something I've never seen before, that's for sure. Very long story short, this lens dropped, got it replaced for $1,500. Oh, after a month of waiting for repair, I had to ask them. I said, can you guys please send me the broken parts? They went ahead and sent me the broken parts. This in particular is my favorite because it's the glass of the lens, and you can actually use it as a magnifying glass. Oh my gosh! Let me see, let me use my noggin here. Let me get this little, oh. Bear brick down, y'all, bear brick down. Oh my gosh! Thanks, Canon, for taking my phone call and let me ask for my broken parts. This luckily is fine. This is fine, but this came out. Ah, you know what? Let's shake it up a bit. I haven't used this knife in a really long time. Supreme butterfly knife. Ooh, a Jordan 1 in a Nike box. So I actually got one time access on sneakers. Finally, I don't know why they said I was able to purchase these early. And I, of course, didn't get to them any early, but I was able to secure my pair of pine greens. These are the new Air Jordan 1 colorway that came out. They don't really resemble like an original Jordan to me, just because of the fact that this Wings logo right here is really raised, and that's not something typically you'd see. Normally it's like stamped within the sneaker. Maybe that's why people weren't feeling these. For Jordans, I give it maybe a 7 out of 10. It's not like shattered backboard, but it's not like some of that other crap we've been seeing. And optional red laces if you want to go ahead and look like an advertisement for Gucci or the Joker. Leo, pick a box for me to open.
Louie Vuitton.
I just want to show this because I think it was so cool. For the first time, I got free Louis Vuitton in my entire life. So big shout out to Master and Dynamic. I was at one point among the first to receive the new Horizon earbuds. Went ahead and made a review video about these a while back, but we're back for a version 2. And I gotta say, I mean, the case definitely got a lot better. And oof, new color, the Louis Vuitton earbuds. What is your guys' opinion of them? I remember these things were huge. It was kind of like a meme. Thank you to the friends at Master and Dynamic and Louis Vuitton. I'm like, it's crazy I could say that, and I'm just so appreciative. So, big shout out to those guys. Thank you. This might be the last of the Travis Scott haul. I might actually have another package, but all of my stuff finally got delivered, which is great news because I'm gonna go ahead and probably resell these Jack Boys gloves, make a good little profit off of them. If you guys missed my entire haul of the Jack Boys collection, be sure to check it out. I'll leave a little iCard up there if you want to watch it at the end of this video. And I kept a couple items. Some of them they were pretty cool. So if you like that stuff, check that out. Now this package, I'd like to go ahead and say thank you to FashionNova for sponsoring this portion of the video. I got a ton of new gear that I'm gonna go ahead and rock on my Instagram for some posts. Woo, there's a lot of different things here. Now, I don't want to spoil all the stuff that we got, but I want to show you a couple of my favorite pieces. So we're going to go ahead and try these on right here. The light blue denim, you can't go wrong with a simple clean pair like this, especially with these Travis Scott Air Forces. We also have the NASA hoodie, which I really like the colors and the aesthetic that this one gives off. Couple different graphic tees. We're also all in the house right now, so video game themed hoodies. And when you know we can go outside, you already know I'm gonna be rocking every single pair of denim that's here. I have a lot of FashionNova denim already, and I really like the comfort and just the amount of variety and styles you can get for such a great price. So don't sleep on their stuff. I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description below to check out FashionNova and shop the products that I got from this video. I've been waiting on these. I'm patient. I'm very patient when it comes to mail time. I really like to savor a lot of my packages experiences for the camera. It's a SneakerCon pickup. Huge fan of Air Forces. I've freaking made my own. A lot of you guys know about these. Shout out the bespoke video. But these right here are just another pair of Air Forces that really wowed me at first. Right here we have the Clot Air Force One. I've seen these floating all over the internet. Let me go ahead and scan them into my profile, add them. Let's go ahead, tap it. And just like that, we can hit own. And I can literally sell it at the click of a button. Hey, who knows if they'll sell? Just put them for sale. I'm not gonna wear them just yet. Nor am I gonna rip off the material, and they reveal like a rose gold, I think, on this pair. Although I do have a knife right here. Should I go ahead and... Now, what could be in this package? A Yeezy. I haven't bought a Yeezy in a fat minute. One of Kanye's latest iterations to the 350 lineup this year is the Cinder colorway. Now, personally, I think it's just kind of like a charcoal with a little bit of brown and yellow. Not my kind of vibe. I definitely picked these up to resell. I got confirmed on the Adidas app. I guess I just don't like them because we've been seeing 350s for the past couple years now. They really haven't changed at all, and I could pick out two other pairs of Yeezys that look damn similar to this in my collection already. So I'm gonna have to say, Kanye, this one is another pass from your boy Blazendary. Is Kanye killing the Yeezy hype with just not releasing anything new? Let us know down below. I think we've seen some cool stuff, the Quantums, the 380s, but nothing new for the 350s. Man, it is a struggle when you are recording two cameras solo during a quarantine. Hope you guys are doing okay though. For right now, I mean, I'm still doing packages. See what this package is all about? Just some week one Supreme stuff. I've got this stuff before and I'm actually just getting it now to resell. We have the Poncho, good thing we got an extra one. We have not seen that sticker pack. How'd you guys do on the Supreme Lamborghini drop? I personally copped some stuff. This one, looks like I opened it already. Yep, I did, because I was actually going to put it in my Kobe video, and I just wanted to showcase this at a later date. The Air Jordan 9, I actually had a pair of cool grays. That was a pair that my parents bought me for Christmas. One of the only pairs of Jordans my parents ever bought me after I started collecting them. This is a pair that I would wear all the time because it's purple. This is a very important one now. Think I'm going to have to start buying some more Air Jordan 9s after this. And I guess we'll do another sneaker. We got a couple sneakers this episode. This one might be, oof, this is an old one. We should have got to this one a little bit ago. Never thought I'd be saying this. The 2020 LeBron 7. This is the All-Star NBA blue colorway, I'm assuming? Yes, it is. And they're deciding to re-retro sneakers that have come out more than 10 years ago. The teal colorway is personally one of my favorites, but it was fitting because I recently went to All-Star Weekend for Chicago. I had an amazing time. It was a lot of fun. This was a sneaker I could not bring back home on the plane. Decided to buy it on Nike sneakers because it did not sell out right away. Curious to know what the resale price is. I'm not going to resell them. I'm obviously going to have that information on the screen. Gotta say, they smell pretty damn good. They smell like a fresh Nike basketball sneaker. That's easily my favorite smell. Hey, I know you guys do it too. You can't, I'm not the only one at home. All right, I'm pretty confident it's the Supreme Oreos. Oh yeah, very confident it was the Supreme Oreos. Wow. Holy crap, we got a bunch of them. We got 1, 4, 6, 8 Oreos, 2 BOGOs. I feel like I keep referencing other videos, but Mailtime is just such a ginormous video that I just talk about a bunch of shit from all the videos. So in this particular package, I'm gonna be setting aside 1 pack of Supreme Oreos for my turning $1 into 1,000 challenge, which, by the way, beautiful video concept idea. I've done very similar things, the trade up challenge, but this is an at-home challenge like the rest of y'all, so you can go ahead and do it too. So take my advice, watch that video, turning $1 into 1,000. I'm gonna section off a couple for storage. I wanna obviously preserve some of these bad boys and keep them expired for 20 years, maybe make a video eating 20-year-old Supreme Oreos. They smell more sugary. They smell a lot more sugary. The Supreme Oreo, y'all. A little bit of red velvet. I don't know. What is it gonna taste like? You know? Tastes like a sweeter Oreo. I am definitely gonna be polishing up these other 2. These are delicious, bro. If you get them, eat them, because they're gonna go stale if you try and resell them for too long. Eat them while they're fresh, baby. Let me tell you. Damn good. Better than the regular Oreo. Nope, I'll use my box logo napkin. Alright. Man, box logo stickers are great for utility purposes. Oh, shoot! That's right. Giant package alert, giant package alert. I want to give a good shout out to the friends and fam over at Hypeland. My man Jordan, he knows that I'm a giant Naruto fan and he hooked it up for me. I have so much Naruto stuff around my house and videos, it's unreal. And let's see, yep! Naruto eating the ramen. Perfect rug. Absolutely love it. Killed it. That's awesome, yo. I might want to put that where I actually have my kitchen table. We also got blessed with another care package right here. Just some more Naruto stuff. Oh yeah, we got the hookup. We got that 20 by 10 by 10. We got Itachi, the Naruto ramen on the hoodie once again. Very cool tie-dye. Let's see who this is. We have the Uchiha crest, the legendary fight, Rasengan and Chidori. We got the Kakashi portrait of the students, the entire character list from the main series. Wow, the Orochimaru. Thank you very much to the Hypeland fam. Now let's go ahead and switch it up to the guys over at Foot Locker, hooking it up with the Tom and Jerry collab. Now I wanted to show you guys this sneaker because look at the laces. You guys see that? Feels like something out of like a Bernstein bear. And they're actually double laced. I like that little stitch detail right there. Appreciate my guys over at Reebok. Now let's see what could be in the Nike box. Air Max 90 Premium, that's correct. I saw these. I really like these. Man, I wish I had these out for Air Max Day. This is honoring, of course, the firefighters of New York. I really gotta say, I love these swooshes. They're kind of like holographic, and the colorway is just red and neon. It's done really well. These little metal circles on the back right here, kind of holding down this heel plate. Air Max Day didn't even exist this time around just because of everything going on in the world. And I hope these videos can kind of put a smile on your face, make you forget about life for a little while, and you hopefully watch the whole thing, maybe learn something cool. Just trying to spread the love. We got another sneaker, and this one right here is an Air Force. Got these just because I thought they were a really good price. They are a little bit worn, but I do like collecting Air Forces, and I haven't actually had a high top Air Force come into the collection that's this old in a little while now. Welcome to the collection. I've been saving this heat for later in the video, so I hope y'all have stayed. Thank y'all for being the real ones right now if you're watching. Like this video if you're a real one. Let's go ahead and see, Blazing fam, what do we got in this package? Yep, this is the ridiculously expensive, and I'm only saying it's expensive just because of the fact it's the second most expensive Supreme North Face collab ever to release. Just for the sake that I know I'm not gonna open this up right now because it's literally 65 degrees in North Carolina, I'm gonna keep it in the bag. I'm gonna put a picture of it right here. I mean, don't get me wrong, I love keeping my Supreme used and having it in my closet and everything. But there's actually no point in opening this jacket in summertime, and maybe if it has some crazy resale value, I will sell it. And we got some more stickers, the Tupac hologram sticker. we have the lime green set, but we have the utility pouch in lime green. We have the gloves right here. It's actually Gore Grip Technologies, and we have the lime green backpack. Now this I might actually go ahead and use regardless of keeping the set or not. Just some week one stuff I'll run by you. The white cat tee. I've showed you guys a sticker already. We have the sticker pack, and I use this for an Instagram picture, but I still wanted to show it in the mail time. So, and this might be one of the last Supreme packages that we do. I literally slept on this piece on drop day, and I mean literally, like I slept in about an hour. This one I caught on a restock, so I did get this one for retail. I slept in, but I got it at like 7 p.m. the same day. This one I had to cave in. I mean, it's just an absolutely beautiful jacket. It's of course the city lights. You can also go ahead and take off the hood. I mean, it's pretty fitting. I'm already wearing purple, so this would actually make a really damn good Instagram picture. Holy crap. Wow, this is really hard. Why can't it be winter again? Winter has the best outfits, no cap. Guys, I have a lot of hobbies. I have a Pokemon channel and I have a gaming channel. This doesn't really fall under either one of those. Technically, Blazendary is like a collecting channel. I'm a huge collector of various types of oddities. I opened up these little figurines before, but I want to go ahead and review like this kind of collector set. So make sure you subscribe to my gaming channel for, I guess, IRL gaming collectible content, as well as video game content, etc. This will definitely be on that channel. Now, I actually found this package, and I was like, I thought I opened this already, but it turns out there actually are two of them. There are two versions of the SneakerCon cat. One of them looks like this, and one of them looks like this. Now, they're both different. I actually have both of them now, which is very cool, so thank you to SneakerCon. Want to get into other kinds of art, and it's really cool that my own SneakerCon worked with a big artist like Steve Harrington. Let's see, what could this be? Oh, it might be the fuzzy dice from the Jack Boys collection, and the green mask as well. So we're gonna go ahead and sell both of them. Just not sure if this is my style. Let's go ahead and see what could this one be. It looks like actually a sneaker I should have opened quite a while ago. The Black Cat Air Jordan 4s. The re-release is just something really nice because a lot of people's pairs, including my own at one point, were unwearable. And so with that concluding, as the last package, I wanted to say thank you and leave a comment down below on what you like the best out of this opening. Catch me on my Twitch streams, catch me on my Pokemon channel, my gaming channel, and that's all, guys. It's your boy Blazendary signing out. Stay positive and peace out.